ഹലോ ഫ്രണ്ട്സ്, വെൽക്കം ടു ധ്രുവദേവ് വേൾഡ് മലയാളം റെസിപ്പീസ്. ഇന്ന് റെസിപ്പീസ് ഒന്നല്ല കേട്ടോ ഇടുന്നത്. ഇന്ന് നമ്മൾ അഫ്കാർ ആൻഡ് ഇഫ്തിഖാർ ഷാർജയിലുള്ള പ്ലാന്റ് നഴ്സറിയിലോട്ട് രണ്ടാമതുമായിട്ട് ഒന്ന് പോവുകയാണ്. അവിടുത്തെ പുതിയ പുതിയ ചെടികളും അതുപോലെ തന്നെ സെറ്റപ്പൊക്കെ ഒന്ന് കാണാൻ വന്നിരിക്കുകയാണ്. അപ്പോൾ അവിടെ ഡീറ്റെയിൽ ആയിട്ട് നമുക്കൊന്ന് കണ്ട് പരിചയപ്പെടാം. ഇവിടെ കഴിഞ്ഞ തവണ വന്നതിൻ്റെ വീഡിയോയുടെ ലിങ്ക് താഴെ ഡിസ്ക്രിപ്ഷൻ ബോക്സിൽ കൊടുത്തിട്ടുണ്ട്. അപ്പോൾ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ആ വീഡിയോ കാണാവുന്നതാണ്. നിറയെ ചെടികളെ കുറിച്ച് പരിചയപ്പെടുത്തുന്ന നല്ലൊരു വീഡിയോ ആണിത്. അപ്പോൾ എല്ലാവരും ഒന്ന് ചെക്ക് ചെയ്യാം കേട്ടോ.
Brown. Some special variety.
How are you?
I am fine, Alhamdulillah. How about you?
Fine, thank you.
This is petunia. This is petunia. This is actually wild one. This is last long. Basically, which one from the hybrid? That is up to February, March end. But this is until if you can keep can up to June. Yeah.
I thought it's that lady finger okra thing. I thought it's okra plant.
Oh no.
Same
Okra
like
is
no,
there.
almost.
Little bit. Yeah. This is basically brown turkey. According to my imagination, they are giving the good food. Fig, but they have a lot of variety. I have known about some age variety. This is the karanda. You see, before you come, there was no fruit. It looked like a cherry. It's coming after that. It will be coming red.
Okay.
Very nice and very beautiful. You see, before you come, and there the flower. Now already lemon is there.
Okay.
And there is another one that is long, that is fragrant. You see, Baba, there is the mango.
Ah, yes, yes.
No,
Last
there is a
time
lot
only
of
mango
mango.
trees were there.
This is the avocado.
Avocado also you can make.
Actually, if you can control the temperature and humidity, it can.
Okay.
And that is peach, pear, no?
Yeah,
That is your amla, hybrid amla.
yeah. This is
Nelly madam.
That is star gooseberry. This is
Gooseberry.
star gooseberry.
And this is what?
This is water hyacinthesis. And that is dogweed.
This is not lotus, no?
No, that's not lotus. Because this is I make the like aquaponics. Because they give the flower and this water going to there. And they make some, now not the season, hot is coming now. But I make the mint, havoc and some muskmelon and watermelon. That side we have it with. The dragon fruit.
dragon fruit.
Yeah.
Dragon fruit plant, no? It's
And
not
this
dragon
is
fruit, right?
tomatillo.
Huh?
You know tomatillo?
Yes, yes. Tomatillo.
Yeah. This is edible, no? If there is the one thing is inside, it's coming yellow seed. No, just fall down. Oh, it have. You see, mashallah, how beautiful. It's edible, no?
Eatable.
And too much full with the vitamin C. Tomatillo. Take. You can put the seeds. You take. You want? And this is. You see the fish is there.
Okay.
There is 7-8 varieties. People they are using for the tea, no?
Yeah, yes.
What is the name even in our
That is I forgot. We call Aparajita in Bangla.
we also have in our place.
Yeah, that is now they understand. Okay, ripen? Huh? Good, no? Mashallah. Damage falling down. There is a small one. I will show you. You see, there's very small
Ah,
down.
yes, yes. This is from China.
How small it's coming. Very down it's coming. You want to eat?
Green mango?
Okay, I will give you. What? This is rose.
It's from Thailand?
Yeah, this is from Thailand. Actually, you see, only 12-inch pot. But how they giving? If you put and pair proper maintenance, they becoming near about 1 kilo.
Oh, one mango.
1 kilo.
And it's very sweet also, no?
Yeah, sweet
Can you
also.
try?
Basically, Thailand, they have some special variety. Very special.
This is curry patta, right?
This is curry patta. This is max melon. And this is watermelon. And you see the cherry tomato. Now tomato season is over. But this is coming again. Very nice flower.
So normal life is like 3 months, 4 months for
No.
these petunias.
Our normal life is 3 months.
But this
this
kind-
is coming up to 6 months. Yeah, you can come.
African tulip.
Another name that is called jungle flame.
What is this?
This is nuts, Saudi. They have no seed inside.
Okay.
This variety from Saudi Arabia.
Oh.
And they are coming one time, but now here again coming, I don't know. Their season already finished. And they have no seed inside. That is their speciality. And there is some variety, local. Pakistani one very sweet. And Thailand was coming very big. You see till now, there is some
okay.
fruits also.
What fruit it is?
Yes, this is jujube actually called.
Jujubia. Okay.
This is called jujube. Here is a 5 variety of the nuts. One Saudi, local, Pakistani, India and Bangladeshi. No, they eat the apple, no? And they fall down in the water. And that time they
Chico.
Sapardilla.
Sapodilla, yeah. Manikara Japota, scientific name. And this is called Nargistemia. See the flower, how beautiful?
What's this name?
Nargistemia.
Largastemia.
Very nice flower, no? You see how small tree, how the java, mashallah.
So basically, whatever the feed or plant is.
That is the thing. This is your bell. You know the bell, no?
What is that?
I will give you one fruit gift. I bring today. I think you know. Bell. It's a very, very, very special food for the bowel movement, clear and make the juice. I will give you. I have.
Okay.
And this is called kaffir lime. It's lime is coming like a finger.
Really?
Yeah. This is called kaffir lime.
This Arabic one?
No, this is from Thailand, the hybrid one. And this is one kind of nuts. You see, this is like a berry, but it's coming from China. And this is the cloves.
Close.
Yeah.
There.
This is the stevia.
Mango, see?
Yeah. They are not getting the chance. Mashallah.
Mango.
Yeah.
This is Thailand variety.
Yeah. No, boss. This is from the Vietnam.
Vietnam.
Vietnam. The indoor plant.
What's the name of this?
This is actually Jed is coming like a Jabralina or something. I forget. Basically, I focus on too much about the fruits.
Fruits.
Yeah.
What is this plant?
This is actually Kalanchu family. They are also coming when leaf fall down. You see that is advantage is you see the all the coming from the leaf.
Yes.
You see, boss, how the plants growing.
Oh.
Creature of God, no? If you keep it in the soil, they will grow new plants.
Okay.
This is called Libistonia.
This
This is indoor plant, no?
Yeah, this is actually not 100% indoor. Actually, this is outdoor. Sansevieria indoor. Money
snake
plants
plant, no?
indoor. Yeah, snack plant. This is called Sansevieria. They have a lot of variety. Jabralina, Libistonia. Then what is called Erica palm, Erica catechu, Chamodera metallica. These kind of things are coming indoor very nice. Basically, snack plants never die. It's too hard.
Oh.
And this is also you can enjoy something. This is called pandanas, variegated. They are very hardy. They are not dying. It's very hard. This is your asparagus. This is the you have some one variety that's called sandalwood. That is also good.
What is this?
This is asparagus.
Asparagus.
They need to cut, and their life is long, 20-25 years. They can remaining in the that's called comb, remaining in the soil. Again, next year they will come. Poisonous.
So what it is used for?
Used for the before.
Lemongrass.
Yeah, this is very nice flower, blue flower, jacaranda.
Jacaranda.
That is another one. That is Dalonex regia. It's coming pink flower, and this is coming blue flower.
Blue.
Very nice flower. And this is Arabic called Malika Tillel. हम लोग बोलते हैं रात का रानी.
रात का रानी.
Very strong fragrance. Very strong flavor. This is temperature coming. That's why rose is coming little bit down.
This will not grow outside, no?
No, up to March you can enjoy here. After the March actually.
It's very fresh.
It's not ripened now. Okay, this is Lulu. Okay. more take. Net pressure. Not coming. Arbab, this is you can keep it very small pot, little bit with the water.
Inside?
Boss, I'm coming. Yeah, can.
ഇതിനെന്താ നിങ്ങൾ പറയാ?
അരളി.
അരളി. പിന്നെ ഇംഗ്ലീഷ് പേരാണ് ടെമ്പിൾ ഫ്ലവർ. നമ്മളിതിനെ കുങ്കുമം എന്ന് പറയാട്ടോ.
ഇതുണ്ട്, ഇത്ര ചെറുതാണ്, പക്ഷെ അതേ ഇതില് മുരിങ്ങക്കായ ഉണ്ടായി കഴിഞ്ഞു. കണ്ടോ മുരിങ്ങക്കായ ഇവിടെ ദേ ഉണ്ടായി കഴിഞ്ഞു. ചെറിയതാണ്.
This is also largestemi.
This is red flower.
This is red flower. This is with red sticks. Largestemi. This is called powder puff. Shaving brush also we say. हाँ ऐसा है ना, तो जब नया निकालता वो निकलेगा ना एकदम उधर दो, वो जो बच्चे लोग will not give you the fruits. Now when the new shoot they will give you the fruits, but only you have to change the fertilizer.
We have to change the fertilizer. We need to change the soil.
No, fertilizer you have to be changed. Because of that, at first for the growth, they need milk. But when they becoming adult and make to be married, so you have to be meat everything, meat, protein, hydro, all the things, and that all there.
ഇത് പൂച്ചപ്പഴല്ലേ?
This is mulberry.
മൽബറി.
Mulberry, this is
guava.
This is javafa from the seed. You see, when javafa new shoot is coming, their old shoot not give the flower. This is the flower is coming.
Okay, so
I when broke it here, new shoots coming, and they give you the two flowers. And this is the water apple.
വാട്ടർ ആപ്പിൾ.
Yeah. This is called Jabatika kebab. If you see the picture, you will be crazy. Very special plants.
What is the name?
Nimno hai?
Jabotica seeds.
This plant is this.
And what it is used for?
Eat fruit.
Sweet one.
Yeah, very nice fruit, no?
Jabotica seeds.
No, this one. No. This is. We also have this, no?
Yeah, you have maybe.
This is nyaval, no? Nyaval param.
This is look like a lychee.
ലിച്ചി.
Not lychee. This is langan.
ലങ്കാൻ.
It's a Thai fruit. And this is olive. We use the olive oil, no?
ഒലിവ്.
This is the olive.
ഒലിവ് ഫോർ ഓയിൽ.
Olive tree.
Yeah.
For the salad and that oil is good
Oil.
for the health also, no?
But this is not jamun, no?
No. Jamun is that one. You want to see which plant I planted here and the size of the jamun? I will show you. Albarsha. 8 years before I put a small tree like this, and now you see the. Jamun.
8 years before, okay.
8 years before I put it.
ആ.
And this also same. I make this landscaping that house. Now they are harvesting. You want to see the fruits? I will show you the fruits. How fruit they come, you see. You see, mashallah. The surprise, no? Only for the nutrition. People are not giving the nutrition. They are not thinking.
So every week you go and give the fertilizer.
Yeah, correct. Not only fertilizer, all the times I don't give. This is one of the flower It's a very nice. This is called parrot back. Because this flower is coming like downward. You see sometime parrot hanging on the tree.
Yes, yes.
Head is coming down. Same flower.
Same flower.
It's semi creeper. This is called parrot back. You drink already, Baba? Very nice fragrant flower. Semi creeper. Very nice fragrant white flower like jasmine. Very nice.
अरबिक लोग तो ये सब लेके जाता रहेगा।
अभी नहीं लेगा, हम तो अभी थोड़ा है देखने में खड़ा लग गया इसलिए बंद करके रखा है ना। अभी तो 2 महीना हमको एकदम पूरा बंद है। Nobody will come to take anything because they cannot survive, no? They have a fragrant also.
Rangoon creeper.
Rangoon creeper, yeah. That is a very nice fragrant and red flower is coming. When it's coming class? No?
Yeah, what is it called?
Yeah.
This is called habak. It's a one kind of one kind of like mint.
Okay.
Very strong. And when you touch the leaf, aroma. You touch. No?
This is for Iftar. You are from?
हम रुबायत
Rubai. आपका नाम?
हमारा नाम रुबायत
हाँ.
ढाका बांग्लादेश
Thank you.
ada jus